Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Hardhat for compiling and testing ERC-20 tokens, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Node.js website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your Hardhat project using the command ERC-20 token. Navigate into the new directory with cd ERC-20 token. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. This will create a package.json file in your directory. Now, install Hardhat by running npm install savedev hardhat. After installation, initiate Hardhat by executing npx hardhat. You will be prompted to create a sample project. Choose the option to create a sample project. This will set up a basic structure with example files. Next, navigate to the contracts folder. In this folder, you will create a new file named mytoken.sol. Open mytoken.sol in your preferred code editor. Now, define your ERC-20 token by starting with the SPDX license identifier. Add the necessary pragma statement for Solidity version. Import the OpenZeppelin ERC-20 contract by including import at openzeppelin/contracts/token/ERC-20/ERC-20. Create a contract named mytoken that extends the OpenZeppelin ERC-20. In the constructor of mytoken, call the parent constructor with your token's name and symbol. Next, move to the scripts folder. Create a new script file named deploy.js. In this file, write a script to deploy your token contract on the Ethereum network. You will use the Hardhat runtime environment for this. Ensure you have the necessary dependencies installed by executing npm install at openzeppelin/contracts. Now, open the main Hardhat configuration file, hardhat.config.js. Set up the Solidity version for your project. Add any necessary network configurations in this file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.